How to convert PDF file to Word document in Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Adobe app and I have already opened. So just first we need to open that file which you want to convert to Word document. So just select that PDF file, just open it. So will be open like this. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do, just go to the all tools, and here we need to select that export PDF option. If you don't find this option here, you can just scroll down, come down, and you can go to the view more, and here you can see this option. Okay, so I just select that export PDF, so it will be took me to convert option, and here you can see I can export PDF to many formats. So here I'm going to show you the how you can select the Microsoft Word. Just select the Microsoft Word, and here you can also select Docs and DOCX, and here you can see also you can convert with Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, image format also you can convert, and other format. Okay, so now just click on convert docs. Okay, so here you need to select the location where you want to save, and just rename your that file if you want, and just save it. So it will be saved as a new file in your selected location, and it will be automatically open at your screen. So that is how you can convert. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.